PNG Wild Hog 7 inches. Isa to guys sa mga naka-sale sa atin. Makikita nyo to sa new arrivals natin ng October. Ayan, so metal assembly tong unahan. Receiver is polymer. Naka-loudiner. Sights, may kasama na sights, front and rear sights, folding sights. Metal charging handle. Polymer na selector. So hindi siya ambi. Polymer grip. Metal trigger and metal trigger guard. So ambi yung selector. Yung ambi yung magazine release. So test natin guys. So may ETU na siya. Ito ETU. Ayan. Magazine capacity is 300 rounds. Test natin. Auto. Sige, last. Okay, so for more details, PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Happy PH.